Welcome to class number 16 of the Leaving Cert Ordinary Level Algebra course, where you are going to solve quadratic inequalities. There are 3 steps that you need to follow. You have drawn quadratic functions in the Junior Cert. A quadratic function with a positive x squared coefficient is U-shaped. An example is the f of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 1. A quadratic function with a negative x squared coefficient is the other way around. An example of this is the f of x is equal to 12 minus x squared. Example 1. Solve x squared minus x minus 6 is less than or equal to 0. Step 1. Solve the quadratic equation to find its roots. Factorize the quadratic in the usual way. The factors are x plus 2 times x minus 3. Find your roots by putting each factor equal to 0. The roots are x is equal to minus 2 or 3. Step 2. Sketch the graph. The function has a positive coefficient for x squared. The graph is U-shaped. The roots or intercepts are minus 2 and 3. Step 3. Use the graph to solve the inequality. The part of the graph below the x-axis contains the solutions, as the function is less than or equal to 0. The solutions lie between the roots, and also include the roots. The answer is minus 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 3. Example 2. Solve 18 minus 3x minus x squared is less than 0. Step 1. Solve the quadratic equation to find its roots. Multiply across by minus 1. Factorize the quadratic in the usual way. The factors are x plus 6 times x minus 3. Find the roots by putting each factor equal to 0. The roots are x is equal to minus 6 or 3. Step 2. Sketch the graph. The function has a negative coefficient for x squared. The graph is N-shaped. The roots or intercepts are minus 6 and 3. Step 3. Use the graph to solve the inequality. The part of the graph below the x-axis contains the solutions, as the function is less than 0. The solutions lie outside the roots, but not including the roots. The answer is x is less than minus 6 and x is greater than 3. That's the end of the class. Have a look at the demonstration examples, and when you think you are ready, do the exercise worksheet.